Hey there and welcome back. Now in this part I'm going to discuss password field. This type of GUI application is used for specialized text input which is in the form of hidden form actually, that if you write into it in that text field form, it will be in hidden manner. That's why I'm calling it a password field. Okay, it allows the editing of single line of text, but it will be in hidden format that you cannot itself identify that what you are writing into your text box area. So this particular is used for in login forms. As you can see in my screen, there is a username admin, a simple text box, and below it a password is there. Again a text box is there, but inside it this asterisk is there. The functionality of this password field as well as this text box field is same, but the difference between them is that the content of this password field is not visible as it is in hidden format, that nobody can understand it what you have written into it. If you're logging into your Facebook account or I think Gmail account, it will be there will be again a password field where password will be written in this format so that a friend sitting beside you cannot understand what you are typing into your password, so that he or she cannot open your account, either your Facebook account or your Gmail account. So if you're making an application or like Facebook, Gmail for your desktop application for that, so you need to use this password field into it. Okay, I hope you understand that the use case of this password field. So without wasting any time, just I'm going to create a simple password field uh, with a Java string. So again, as the one of the most fundamental things which you require for making a Java string program is to import all the packages and files related to Swing. For that, you have to write javax.swing.asterisk, which will and import all the files of it. This asterisk means. Then create a public class, and where you have to write give the name of your public class any. Like in my case, I'm just giving the name password field, and inside just create a public static void main method where I'm going to create an instance for my frame, then I'm going to create an instance for my password field, so that it will looks like an application form which I have shown in the beginning of my video. So it is very simple, just like I did in my previous video. All the processes are same: creating the instance for my frame, then creating an instance for the another GUI components like buttons, text field, text box, this all things. All the things are same. So in this way, I have just created an instance for my J password field. Now I'm going to create and label also, as I told in my previous video that how you can create an instance for your label. Just write JLabel, name of your instance for your label, and write the new keyword for creating an instance for any such GUI components. Okay. So in this, what will going to happen? A password will be there, a label will be there, and right side of label, a password box will be going to appear. So set the boundaries according to them. Now change the value of the x-axis to 100. They lies on the same y-axis, but has changed the x-axis point so that this password field will appear towards right hand side. Okay, 20 at the point of 20 x-axis, the level will be there. At the point of 100, our password will be there. Okay, now add them into your frame, and after adding them, each of them value is for password field and L1 is for labels, and after adding them set the size of frame 300 300, which I use always. You can choose the size of your frame according to yourself only. Then write the layout, which is null. There are many different types of layout you can set it for, like grid layout, border layout. Many of them are available. In this case, I'm just using null layout. Now I'm going to set a visibility will be true. Now save this Java file and open your command prompt so that you can execute this Java program. The one more thing which I'm going to tell, that in this I'm not going to make a same application which I have shown you in the beginning of video, creating a text field with name labeled. I just created a simple password label with a password field. Okay, only simple that. No buttons there, no text field is there. It's a simple, a partial form of that application which I have shown in my beginning of the video. Okay, now rename this file as I written wrong extension Java, not Jaka. Now open your command prompt and compile this Java C password field .java, not Jaka, and hit the enter button. Now as you can see, password field class file is generated successfully. This is actually byte file. Now this is a password label with a password field into it. Let me open application and the source code which we written down right there. This dot dot dot. It can be asterisk, it can be dot. It's up to you. You can change it according to yourself only. Okay. So this is all about password field which you can use into your login form.